So, Elvis. Hey, quiet. I am talking. I am talking. I am going to a college that's a couple hours away. Hey, stop it. I'm going to University of New England. And, I went to orientation earlier in the week. And I asked about possibly bringing them as emotional support. They said no. Hey, stop it. And I've already been assigned a room and dorm, so I can't get off-campus housing. So, yeah. So it's bad on that end. It's really bad on that end. That means no bird. And Skittles want some attention too. And my parents will not allow me to keep all 3 birds. Will you stop screaming? Yeah, they're not going to allow me to keep all 3 of the birds during my college years. They told me to pick 1 or 2 birds to be rehomed. Elvis here is staying. He is always staying. I love him. Opal is being rehomed. Stop it. No one can hear me. I just got up. I am really fucking tired. Hey, stop screaming. Please stop screaming. Please don't do that. But yeah, Opal is being rehomed. She needs to find a new home. Elvis is staying. He is always staying. Skittles. She is probably staying. There's 50-50 chance. Look at that face. She knows I'm talking about her. But yes, I was told to choose 1 or 2 birds to be rehomed. Opal is one of those birds trying to find a new home. And maybe my parents will allow me to keep both the cockatiels. Maybe they won't. I'll find out when I get closer. When it gets closer to August. But Opal is for sure being rehomed. I'm sorry, Opal, but you need to find a new home. I put an ad up online for her last night. It's on Craigslist. If anyone is in the Maine state area, there is a beautiful female budgie looking for a new home. She is healthy. What you will get is the bird, a sample of food, and her favorite toys, which right now is not in the cage. Elvis already ate them all, and I still need to buy new ones. Yes. Elvis ate them all. You can see that one, and that one, and this one, and that one. But yes, I will supply a sample of her foods and her favorite toys. I will not be supplying the cage. Simply because, well, he still needs this cage, and she still needs that cage. And I don't know what happened to my 3rd cage. It's not in this room, I can tell you that. But I don't know what happened to my third cage, and even if I did, I'd probably end up keeping it for after undergrad and grad school, my 8 years of college. That way I can end up getting more birds without having to pay for a cage after college. But she knows I'm talking about her. She knows she's not going to stay here anymore. I am sorry, Opal. I love you, but you have to go. And he knows he's safe. He knows he's not leaving. He knows he's my favorite. Look at that face. He knows I'm his favorite. Wait, what? He knows he's my favorite. But yes. Opal is being rehomed. Skittles is iffy. Elvis will never be rehomed. Yes. You're staying. You look adorable when you're fluffy. Skittles is also preening. Oh, she stopped. She heard me. I'm talking about her. Oh no.